Cherie, darling, darling, I'm on my way. Get ready, here I come.
Hey, style savvy friends, it's Cherie here, and just like my makeup bag, I'm also going to change my shoes from my summer pick, which I've been wearing these great gold Birkenstocks all summer. They've been so wonderful and comfortable, but it's time to go into fall. So my pick for fall is, ta-da, we're gonna do an unboxing. This is Rifle Paper Company in conjunction with Keds, and I love this company. They're very famous for their floral prints, and you see it all over from Anthropologie to Barnes and Noble. And I just so happen to find these at DSW. So here we go. You know, I love my Converse, but ta-da, the perfect pick for fall. So excited to pair these with obviously jeans and crop pants, but also with joggers and little black dresses or just little dresses in general with floral design. Super fun. Can't wait to try them on. Hope you guys like my fall pick for shoes.
I thought, how cool it would be to be a chic scarecrow, because everybody thinks about that around this time of year. So look what I've come up with. I found the coolest blue jean hat, and I added this wonderful diamond brooch to it, which is probably the most expensive thing that I'll be wearing today. But I've always wanted to wear it, and what a better time to wear it to be a chic scarecrow. Then I'm going to wear my little jean bolero that I love, love, love. So now these would have been the summer shoes I would have worn. But darling, since we're showing fall, I'm going to go with the Bentley original custom made high tops. I had all these pins to choose from, but I thought that looked like we're going today with the motif of the sunflower, which you'll see how that's all brought together later in the show. So I hope you like it, darling. If you do, press like, subscribe, enjoy the show. I'm going to get dressed now. But this particular blouse has a cuff, a bell cuff to it. So I'm going to French cuff. I love French cuffing everything that I can French cuff.
Mr. Cherie and I were watching recently The Sopranos, and I heard a term I had never heard before. Somebody was wearing a suit, and he said to the other actor who was wearing a suit, "Shoot your cuffs." Oh, and that meant to make the whites of the sleeves, the cuffs of your sleeves show.
Oh, I love that. Shoot your cuffs
under your blazer.
Oh, I love that. So to show.
Yeah, so you have to shoot your cuffs, Gigi.
Oh my God, I love that. This looks like there's too many bracelets.
Okay.
So which one do you want me to take off?
Maybe just the first one.
All right. What do you think?
There, that's great.
Because I like bringing in the orange for fall.
Yes, I like the orange.
And then we have the sunflower that's going to go up with the hat. So see, I have a fuller body top with this. Because if it was really too tight to my body like this, it would make me feel, it makes me have more girth in here that I don't want to show. But by having something that's free flowing, that it gives it more of a liquid kind of a flow. I also wore a larger, wider pant at the bottom because you want to have balance when you dress. So Eva, my fairy godmother, gave me this beautiful top, and I love it. And it's so soft and comfortable, and it's not too heavy because, see, we're in Texas, so we're in an interim from going from summer into fall and autumn. So as much as we'd love to be wearing sweaters and furs and turtlenecks, it's just not time yet. So this is a wonderful option. It's just lightweight denim, lightweight cotton, and you know, that's my look for the day.